Hi folks, it's Dr. Kenya Mitchell here, and I'd like to extend a warm welcome to you as you join the Social Media Pedagogies workshop. This workshop was designed to help educators as they shift their in-class strategies to an array of social media platforms. During this workshop, you will learn how social media is defined and how to use those definitions to create your own goals. You'll also learn how to confront implicit bias before working online to avoid snafus. Together, we'll discuss which platform is best for your teaching approach and your discipline. We'll also talk about public and community-based social media pedagogical approaches, how to create engaging content and online assignments. Last but not least, we'll talk about building and maintaining an audience. If you plan on joining this workshop, these are your next steps. Thank you so much for joining this workshop. I look forward to meeting you in the discussion groups.